Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Wow, blessed love. Good morning. Blessed love to our guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. So thank you and welcome to Kino Live in Jamaica. You know the thing goes, love and love always. You know, first I have to give a big shout out to Gino Bambino. You know, Gino Bambino, thank you so much, you know. The short suit a shot. Thank you so much, Gino Bambino. So you know it's my first day here now. You know, yesterday was presentation day. You know, so today is the day that we're out now. You know, so today we're gonna go on the road. You know, we're gonna meet some important people. You know, get to know familiar faces. There's a lot more to get done. You know, so guys, so thank you so much on this journey. You know, it goes already. So blessed love to all. And this is my area where I'm staying, you know, the comfort suite. Very comfortable and very sweet. Trust me. Not like sugar, but it's sweet. And I'm here with no other than I'm here with Pat. Morning. You know the thing goes sunrise and she rise early like the sun. Early like the sun, guys. So yes, it's a pleasant morning. You were closed?
Yes.
Good morning. Yes, guys, a pleasant morning. Seat belt first.
Yeah.
You know, puts a seat belt, you know, so everyone puts a seat belt. Safety first. Seat belt. Yes, guys, so you know, we're going to head on the road, you know. Jamaica Day. So, you know, you have to get your Jamaica t-shirt. You have to be representing. You know, you cannot just be from Jamaica and not represent them, man. You have to represent all the way. Look, bright and nice on the morning. Right, Pat? How is your morning been, Pat?
It's been busy.
Busy.
You got a lot of things done. But it's called work, so you know, you have to expect the unexpected.
Yes. So the work have to get done, you know.
Yes.
Sunrise team is not a lazy team, you know. Trust me, it's a hard working team. Them really inspire me to work hard too. You know, work. Trust me. Well, the place is bright, as I can see. I hope I see you in Jamaica bright. And I hope it's got the same way Jamaica is bright. Lovely. When last you get rain over here?
It rained last week.
Oh, last week. Last I look a while still. You know, them said no rain no fall yesterday in Jamaica, but still. Good. So we're in sunrise, where the sun shine bright, you know, where to rise from. Not naturally, but yes. What them call it, sunrise. It's beautiful, and you like the sun. You like your favorite color as well to me, yellow. You know, the place bright and yellow. Once more again, we're on this we call it Floridian Road. Floridian, because it's within the Caribbean. That's how we say Floridian.
I'll find a shop. We can get some t-shirts.
Yeah. Wait, so I'm definitely gonna win this year?
Of course.
Confidence kicking.
Always.
You know, Jamaica, we always confidence, so we're gonna win, you know, because we're not here to lose anything at all. We're very competitive as a wonderful nation. You know, our nation is very competitive, trust me. So we're definitely gonna win. You know, so I'm going to be a part of that winning. So it's so good to be amongst winners, you know, because we don't tolerate losers, you know. So even though we have to accept it, but trust me, the aim is to always win. No lose at all. First, last, no. Wrong way to it. So try again. So I guess we're going up against how many different nations?
We have a whole lot, but we're just combining them in 4 groups.
4 groups.
Yeah, but it's like over 37 different nations.
Wow. Yeah, that over 37. So when you come first, you know that means a lot.
Yep.
You know, trust me. Look about to Talawa, Jamaican thing, you know. Guys, you're seeing the eyes, what I'm seeing, you're seeing. Every time you keep on get confused now, I was gonna say you're driving on the wrong side of the road. Yeah, but it's full time I get used to this by now, you know. I always know that they drive on the right side over here, you know, not the wrong left side, right side. The big palm tree and nice.
I'm going towards something close.
Huh?
I'm going towards something too
Oh,
close.
so you make that sound. Yeah, you have to drive car, we have sense. Drive cars.
Sometimes some of them too sensitive.
Yeah, I think the shade it'll pick up. Even the Tesla are going good over here though.
Oh, yeah,
Car. Why Florida have so many swamps?
This whole place is
Huh?
filled with. That's what it's filled with. That's why we're so flat. Anywhere you go and dig 6-7 feet down, you're gonna find water.
Yeah. Right, come here when even the second time I'm come here.
It's flat.
And you see so many swamps when you're flying over.
6 feet down, you're gonna find water.
Yeah. Wow. So deep. So 6 feet you start digging you find water.
Find water somewhere there.
God damn.
Oh, come on. Is that money? The birdie.
Where? Oh.
Just land.
Oh. Yeah, some blessings there. It's a moment.
Oh my goodness.
The man when bird shit by your vehicle have money, boy. When the things when bird shit by your vehicle at times you wash off. Oh, I tell you. And choose your one as a drive past splash. So the time I walk on Harris Street, I'm gonna tell them, I walk and go them shit right for me. I remember about the money part. Even when them say that when the bees pitch for your money, bees pitch for them thing, you know what time it
God,
is.
I know, right?
Right.
It's like a little, it's an outdoor market.
Oh.
But they have little stalls in there.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
have Jamaican stalls.
Like a craft spot.
Yeah. I want you to go.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
I was going to go that way.
You know, Pat remind me of Simone. It was Simone driving. Yeah, man. That's Pat, man. Proper driver. Simone. We take on the street. We say, driver, don't stop at all. The time when the driver reach, you would say that as well, you know.
Yeah.
You see? I say, if it Pat, you say, driver, you say, don't stop at all. You know, trust me. German is something else. Buckle up. A long time you been driving, Pat?
Yeah, from Jamaica.
Oh, from Jamaica. Oh. They say to drive the upper yard taxi. Upper yard.
Oh, no.
Them Pat a drive,
Yeah,
right?
but our house, we were living in St. Mary. We always have cars in there, so we were always driving.
Okay.
My brothers would steal the car and run up at the fences and stuff like that.
Yeah. So it's a must. From car in the yard, you have to be driving. From there's a car inside the yard, why?
Oh, we had cars and trucks.
Exactly. So you can drive the truck as well.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly.
Listen, I went to Canada last year, and my brother, he has a trailer here. And well, he had the back on it because he does he moves like foods and fruits for the hospital.
Yeah.
And he thought when he said it to me it was a joke. And he said, "Sister, move that truck and carry it down." And I said, "Just show me how to get down this gear," and he did. And the boy let me go in the big trailer on the highway in Canada.
Yeah.
And I drive it.
And drive that.
Drive it, take off the back, and move the head.
Wow.
He came out and said,
First
Jesus.
time.
I was like, sister, I never believe you would have do it, you know.
Yeah.
I did. He showed it to me one time and I did.
Real driver, man. From a social driver, and realize Pat love big vehicle. This vehicle is twice Pat, twice. It's like a horse. And the way she drive it like it's a beetle. Love big vehicle, boy. Them say big vehicle of America. The road them is so big as well. Jimmy is just used to the small vehicle and love small vehicle. If you're a tall man, them jump out and want to go Mini Cooper. I wonder how you get inside of that.
Mr. Bean.
You know what I mean?
Remember that little movie,
Yeah.
Mr. Bean?
Yeah.
Little mini?
Yeah, with the Mini Cooper. Hey, Mr. Bean. I used to watch him all the time. I laugh. Trust me. One thing I always like in Florida, the place always green, but a lot of trees as well too. You know, a lot.
They will take care of the trees.
Yeah, they maintain it for sure.
Most of them, they take them from somewhere and come plant them.
I'm bringing them here, like from different countries.
Yeah, from mountainous country like Wyoming and those.
Yeah, I'm bringing them come here.
Different states and states.
Just place does flat, well flat. Nice, man. It's a beautiful sunny morning, guys. And when the sun is shining over here, everybody get it. Because the place flat.
It's hot.
Hot,
They
right?
don't have that mountain to help.
To help hide the sun.
Yes, and to make it feel a little cool. It's just piercing hot.
So you just have bake right through, you can't miss it. Alright guys, so we're here at the swap shop. We're gonna look some Jamaican looking stuff. And we get some Jamaican stuff. Imagine, eh? Yeah, we're coming from Jamaica and come and foreign looking Jamaican stuff. You know, even though them did mention so them want to go to the craft market, but because the time and Shuda was kind of busy as well, so we never get a chance to bring them to the craft shop. And the rain kind of messed up a lot of stuff, you know. So not even me myself never came up with a Jamaican t-shirt. So we have to look for something that's Jamaican-ish.
Oh, you want to go and buy?
You know, so we're coming to looking for something Jamaican. So we're gonna check out here. That's like a craft. Them have everything with them selling Caribbean right here. Caribbeanish. Over there you have the market as well. 90.
I'm not sure exactly.
Big up, General.
Well, I guess it's cute because somebody to get leggings too.
Oh yeah?
Think so today?
Yeah. Wow. You from Ochi?
Yes, which areas?
Ochi, big up, big
Yes,
up, big
every
up, big up.
time.
Your sentence.
Yes.
Real Ochi side.
I live in Exchange, but I'm from Arakabesa.
Oh, Rakabesa.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I live in Ochi about 48 years now.
Yeah.
Or longer.
Oh, big up, big up, big up. I know say I'm from the same place where that man coming from. You know.
About 9 miles.
No, well, him think come from my but Trenchtown. Trenchtown. So you know, Trenchtown, that's where I'm from.
Alright, no problem.
So it's a Trenchtown and
Yes,
this today, as I thought, right? No, you know?
Yes.
Even though me the one we're the bar, but yeah, what them say through the Jamaica thing.
Okay.
You know, so I'm ready for us go and
Yes.
work with the Jamaica color.
Jamaica thing, yes.
Don't worry yourself, Bob. We don't
Yeah,
represent
you see
there
it,
already. You see it. So we just
Yes.
work with this Jamaica color here.
Yeah, man.
You know. They bring up my kerchief.
Never
Yes. What kind of style me have to give them, guys? I'm gonna bring a handkerchief. Nothing.
Let me not go on to the cold. I may be hot.
Yeah, man, you never
Yeah.
know.
There we go.
See there. Part of our kerchief to representing. Let me say. Two of them. And one more. Yeah. I saw it in our way.
Alright.
Man.
What do you have? You have
Yeah, me have shots already. Rasta. But you should be wearing a Rasta thing, you know. But when a Rasta day, it's a Jamaica day.
I know.
We have that to can turn it two sides.
Oh. Well, a Jamaica day is still on a Rasta day.
No, man, we have that for Pablo.
Huh?
So we have that outside.
Oh.
Careful.
We have this kind of hat and we have this kind of hat.
Okay.
I have a visor already.
Oh, okay, alright.
And true, we may either do with care managing the hats.
You know, I pull up the style.
Yeah.
See?
I said that'd be good, see me with the Jamaica hat.
Man.
You see? You say the sun I got hot where it's gonna be?
Yes, the hat already.
Hot in sunrise.
Yeah. I said them call it sunrise, right?
I can wear pants inside too. To tell you
I said I'm going up.
no problem.
I work with the kerchiefs.
Yeah, man.
Can throw one over my head. And a Jamaica socks.
You don't know go find. Jamaica, I don't know where to go find.
That good. I said that'd be good. I'll be
Yeah,
Jamaica
I know,
socks,
right?
you
I
know?
know my place and my daughter want so I know where she put them.
Okay.
Then that watch you know them gonna find it
Yeah.
easy.
So Yeah, man. So you say, just tell them say you're located in the swap shop.
Swap shop, yes. U18.
You know, you can get green
Rachel's
socks
place.
or yellow socks
Oh, which
Yeah.
socks me have?
Right
This.
there.
or black socks.
Oh, this one
That's
can.
fine, of course. Is it long or ankle?
I think it's long, you know.
Have to work though, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Long, man.
Yeah, at least the green and the yellow will show
Yeah.
slightly.
And the weed.
And the weed.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
That
Yeah,
will
lift up
work.
the weed.
That will work then. We'll work with that.
So what is your name?
My name is Kino.
Okay.
So I goes by Kino Life in Jamaica on YouTube.
Okay.
So you can check me out on YouTube,
Yeah,
right?
man. You know,
Alright.
look after the food, you know, we have to see what I want.
Yes. So you're gonna see what I want. Remember, it's Kino,
Yeah, man.
yeah, Life in Jamaica.
Yeah,
Right.
man. Huh? $5 each.
The sound?
I want them sweet.
That's the look on the drawer.
Yeah, you look at the jar. Hopefully it's sweet. Yeah.
Set the storm.
Okay. I'm gonna hold the bag. No, you go on.
Hold it. Not so bad.
Not sweet.
Not sweet, but it's not bad.
Not bad. Can't work. Too big. Oh. It's good. What's the rest of your idea? Eh? Alright. Let's try the mini, man. You don't want to finish. Good times. Come like me get the sweet one then. You wanna kind of taste
So
sweet.
where are you guys?
That good man. Can't keep that.
Go on, do your video.
Show one more where we at.
So now we coming.
Yeah. We coming. Yes guys, yeah.
Can you chop this for me?
This is sweet still. I'm not lying. Sweet. Alright, so we're back here at the rehab center. Trust me, it's a big Eleva center. Well big. You know, it's well big, not lying. So it's called the Sunrise Health and Rehab Center. Very big center, not even lying, bro.
Should I turn it off? My brother. Yes,
Hello.
I know. Brother from another mother.
Hey, we met last night, right?
Yeah, we did.
I ain't got celebrities. I'm scared to get an autograph. I can't get an autograph. It says,
Just go through me.
But listen, if you the agent or the manager, let me know. We can book him, man. How you doing, boss?
Good man, all is well.
Welcome to the U.S., man.
Yeah, man, thank you, man.
Heard a lot about you, man.
Thank you, man,
Yes.
so much.
Yes,
so
yes,
much.
yes, brother. Yes.
Great, man.
Oh my God, I should have had my makeup.
Hey, no, but don't worry, it's gonna look like you're up on one when I edit it.
Okay, good.
Yes, it's gonna look. Yes, so don't worry.
Alright,
I'll make you look so good.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Going to the business office, Shirley. Alright. Go say hi to your mommy.
Hello, mommy.
Come on in, come on in.
Hello, morning.
This is morning, this is afternoon.
Okay, good. We'll carry the morning in the afternoon.
He has food here, but I have a little rasta pasta. I don't want that.
Oh, whoa, it was late.
It's okay. Yeah, and you were there showing off with coconut. Yes. Have you been buying anything? We could have brought you one. Yeah,
Yes.
I said it. Sorry. Yes.
Hush,
Wanna
mommy.
eat?
Hush, mommy, how you doing?
Did you guys see Eddie?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So he met Eddie. Good.
Yeah, just now.
Yes, he can sit eat, and then you can. There.
Yeah. Good.
I'm gonna find. I'll come back down.
All right then.
Yes. Okay. You wanna eat?
Yeah, I'm just eat that.
Eat already?
Add fruits.
Oh, but you wanna eat now?
Yeah, I'm just eat
Okay.
this.
You want something to drink? Water.
Water, please. Yes. So I got a piece of sliced fish with some vegetables.
Yeah, that looks good.
Quick snap.
Yeah.
Oh, you're watching D Monroe.
Yeah, you know.
Hey D, you're on TV.
Yeah.
You got D. You got some melon.
Yeah, I was. Yes, I was.
Very small.
Yeah.
So how is everything?
Everything is good. We're getting ready for the for tomorrow. So you know everybody is like really pushing it.
Busy.
You know how it is.
Everybody
Joanne is out
active.
sick, but she'll be here
Still?
tomorrow. Yeah.
Wow.
But she said she felt a little better. So you know,
Oh, she came down with it from Jamaica? Oh.
and Darla too.
Dala. Was it the rain?
I think it's a rain.
So that means that immune system needs to get more stronger.
Yes. And you see Darla traveling out from the United States for the first time.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Hopefully they're good for tomorrow.
Yes. Oh no. That is why I told him. I said take off 2 days because the third day you need to be back.
Yeah.
We have work to do. So you have something premiering at 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I'm coming. Yeah. When I'm coming. You guys see the sliced fish. Something.
Yes. How was your night's sleep?
It was good, no?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. I really had a good sleep. It was
Because you're
good.
tired. Oh my God.
I work so much, right? Work a day and work a night.
It's gonna be good.
Big day tomorrow.
Yep. Our cultural day tomorrow. Yes. Oh gosh, everybody's so competitive.
Jamaica.
Yes, because everybody trying to win the title. You know, and Jamaica had it last year, so they want to keep it.
They want it back now. Because it's the third year, right?
Yeah, this is the third year we're having
The
it.
first year, who won it?
Haiti won it the first
Haiti.
year.
Oh.
And well deserving. Well
Yeah.
deserving. So this year now, they're really trying, you know.
So you got judge.
We use the residents and patients.
Okay.
So now this year I said let's use the public.
Yes,
so the
yeah.
people coming in. So they're gonna pick up the you know, to vote, the ballot, and then they're gonna go walk around, look and see, and then they'll vote.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's but it's the bottom line is sharing our culture.
Yeah.
That's the bottom line.
That's good.
And for us to be more sensitive to each other.
Yes.
And we really work at it, so we don't have an issue, you know. But you have to keep at it,
Yeah.
you know.
I hear the thing.
Yes, because you know what? Ignorance is one of the biggest drawbacks with people not being receptive to others who don't talk like them, who don't look like them, you know. So,
That's true.
yeah.
That's true. So we have to really show the unity among each other.
Yep, yep.
And you're going to see tomorrow, all of those flags you see there, you're going to see, yeah. And this year, for the first time, some of the smaller groups decided to go with bigger groups. Like the America, we have the Asian going with them. We have the ones from Israel going with them. I think it's like 3 countries combined with America.
Oh.
Jamaica, we combined with Trinidad. Haiti's alone. And I think there's another group that, so the Hispanics, South America, all the Hispanics going together.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Jamaica. So 80 is on their own.
Because 80, most of the, I would say 75% of the employees here, they're from Haiti.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's huge.
So a big following already.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
So we'll see.
So 80 gonna come hard tomorrow. No? Don't take them
Oh
soft.
my God. But Jamaica has a lot of surprises. Yep.
Just
open the door, okay? All right.
No.
Are you finished?
Cimarron, yes.
Oh, you really adapted him, huh?
Yeah, she did. So we have the Jamaican here, right?
Yeah, this is the Jamaican.
The Jamaicans are here.
Here.
The Jamaicans are here.
The Jamaicans are in the house.
We are here to turn it up.
Yeah, so we're
Come and introduce myself. I'm Trisha.
Trisha. Come.
I'm Gracie Ann.
And we have 2
I'm
shots.
Susie Ann.
AKA 2 shots.
And I'm Tamara.
Hey, Tamara. Yeah, so she's 2 shots, so we call her 2 shot.
2 shots.
Alright, I'm take back the name there. She pose. Hey, so we got nationality in the house. Don't worry, I'm representing tomorrow, you know.
We're
out.
ready.
So we're taking on the trophy?
Of course.
Oh.
It's a must.
Yes, sir.
We run things don't run we.
Oh.
We dance move now.
We're not going to do it.
Eh?
Wing. All right, go to wing, go do it.
Yes?
Her cousin that came to help us.
Okay, yes. Big up yourself, Taya. Yeah, Taya, big up yourself, you know. So now we meet another half, you know, another fraction of it. So which dance not gonna do tomorrow? Drift? So everybody want to do the drift.
Probably, yeah.
Oh,
know we can't get
Party gonna drift tomorrow?
Absolutely.
You not change gear?
No.
You gonna drift as well?
I'm gonna try.
You try.
You want me to come, sir?
Yeah.
When I come here, daughter?
Yeah.
You go say, Erks.
Mama sit it asleep. Alright, let's go. Alright, go guys.
Alright then. Bye, take care.
Where are you trying to keep yourself, Charmaine?
Yeah, no. Alright then. Where we going?
We're going. But just ask Trisha. Trisha talk loud. Charmaine has to know.
Yeah.
No, Kino. I don't know if Kino has any time for later. Yeah, we're not taking it. She sent me a place. I'm going to look at it. Oh? You special?
Well,
You can manage white rum?
of course. Yeah, okay, cause Pat boy, I'm gonna try to keep up. I'm gonna try and keep up.
You're going to keep up?
I'm trying to keep up.
I'll see the address and I'll see. It's like a fish fry. With yeah, that kind of thing. We can go. Yes. Okay, go with them. I'm coming. Let me come.
Alright, I'm gonna watch them.
Yes, Tina, go
So I can't show the dance with them I go do guys, but I'm gonna watch where I go.
yes, because it's
Them I go drift.
yes, it can. They know.
So which dance I go do, mommy? I got change gear though.
What?
Them a drift, you can change
Make
gear.
him drift too.
You can drift too. Oh, wow. Show them the 90s drift,
Yes.
70s one.
Okay.
We're gonna show them the 70s drift, guys. So watch when.
But they're on top of it. Oh, yeah. We're gonna have the calypso with
Me not dance, me rock.
You rock?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Rock to the beat.
Rock to the beat.
Yes.
Yes. All
I
right.
have no time for dance anymore. I'm just walk.
Rock to the beat. All right, dance soon come. Oh, yeah.
Oh, well.
But we've been teasing her.
Man, I work, so it's like you can't. Just have a Jamaican shirt.
I have a little black skirt.
Miss Smith, this
Like
is
a
too
black
much.
skirt. A little, yeah, it looks nice.
Remember somebody heard myself, I'm in a
No, they're wearing tights.
leggings. Or tights. They have sheer tights.
Share tight, yeah.
So go on now.
Why you want to move so?
This one is private, so.
I will keep. Listen, I'm going to talk to you.
What you doing? Come on.
With the Almas.
Government representing.
I'm from Sunrise with Kino.
I am
Big up Kino.
Big up yourself, big up yourself. And I'm here with Yvette. Big up Yvette. Yvette in the kitchen, cooking fish. She's making it work. See there, she's frying fish. Today is fish. What fish we have here, Yvette? Snapper. The dapper fish, right?
Dapper fish.
So this is the outdoor grill right now going on. Pure fish on grill with Yvette. How you doing? Hi. You okay? Oh, wow. Mariana. Hello. Hey, do the dance. Hey, do the dance.
I'm not leaving here till tomorrow morning because that has to be done. No, because this
Tomorrow morning. This is the back door. Wow. This guy says just pure energy and pure vibes here, trust me. The energy is nice, everybody is vibrant, just pure good energy. Since I've been here, the love that I've been received, wow. So the love is brushing right off, I really appreciate the love so much. And then outside here doing some cooking, frying some fish, Jamaican style, outside cooking, frying fish, very lovely. Sun's gone in, but at least it's still good weather, it's not bad. If it is here frying the fish, making it work. That's what I'm saying now. If it in the kitchen frying fish, make it work. If it in the kitchen frying fish, making it work.
in a backyard kitchen.
Jamaican style.
Yeah, Jamaican style.
Oh, there, see the garlic and
No, what saying,
the rain.
just in case.
It's not gonna rain still. I don't think it's gonna rain. Not gonna fall. Hopefully,
Yeah, but bring 2 burner stove.
Oh, then bring the big fryer.
Yeah, but
Is
this
it
is just
Too slow.
too slow. That's what I realize.
Can't get
But maybe
any.
just because it's just going.
Can't get in the hotter.
But then she said,
Can't turn up more.
that minute I try because then it turn all the way up.
Oh, turn till
Yeah,
it
turn
pop.
all the way up. Yeah. Maybe just because it just go in, so I have to get my cut again.
More and more.
But then we should have been on fan come to blow it fly them.
Yeah, at least it's not too much fly.
I clean them up and swarm with. I said, oh my God, where they come from? They smell it. It's coming like us when you cook boiled fish.
The good old fried fish. Guys, look at this place. The place is so nice, clean, looking good, well organized. That's what I like with this rehab center. It's literally well organized, It's well organized, trust me. Everyone is organized, the whole building, everything, and everyone is so organized, right? So nice, So out there you have the main road as well, because I like walking, So I might stretch my legs, go somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna end up, but I don't know what the main road is like. Where should I go? Because once I step out, I'll just be walking and talking, right? Exploring. So, so here in Sunrise, where everything is going to take place tomorrow.
You say, I don't know where my fly come from.
You never tell me to bring 2 coal stove for you.
Eh?
You never tell me to bring 2 coal stove for you.
You say, I got a coal pot right and a coal pot that just
Of
do
course.
my eye. When me go home, a coal pot me use and fry my fish, you know. Yeah.
Bring in the Jamaican coal stove and bring up 2 coal, a bag of coal on the plane.
And to be nice, I have coal pot up here, and my sister says she buy one, and me say, I'll get one, and I'm going to reach here.
The next time I'm traveling, I'm going to bring the coal stove and a bag of coal.
No, a kerosene stove.
And the kerosene stove. That's how I travel next time. They can't turn me back at all.
They
I
can't
have to come through.
And we don't know gas for the line.
Exactly. So I'm going to put the gas stove in my suitcase with a bag of coal from Thumper and the kerosene stove, you know. I'm bringing come outdoor cooking here. Trench down.
Oh my gosh.
So Thumper want a bag of coal from me, right? We're going to bring that to Florida.
No, we'll make coal at Westmoreland.
Okay, so alright then, so here what you do then. Just make your family know so you link me halfway or halfway tree. You know? Yes, meet me at halfway tree with some coal, right?
Yes.
So if you take a call and say link up Kino, bring him some coal.
Bring him some coal.
Half back from Westmoreland and half from Kingston.
Half from Kingston.
I will bring it.
I don't have carnation, I have to get it with.
No, alright, that's much better. Yeah. And don't forget the breadfruit as well too.
Can't forget that.
And get some fish from White House if you can. You know, like for Westmoreland, you have to go to White House to get the fish. Alright, the bucket. Get the bucket of fish and bring them come, right? That's how we are doing tomorrow.
That's
So stay there. So tomorrow we are winning tomorrow. Where
We are winning tomorrow, man.
of course, you hear that? We can't lose, man.
Yeah,
Little and we tell our you know, so tomorrow trouble there.
We are going for Chilani to get this yellow yam there.
Oh,
We're both.
yes. So you know once both to eat yellow yam and we go eat yellow yam tomorrow. We are champion. Champion. We're gonna be champion.
The
rain not go far.
Florida. 1 minute it's raining here and it's sunny down there.
Yeah. Come introduce yourself. Come here. Susie.
Hi.
We have Susie here.
No, that's not.
Come, Susie.
Oh, sorry. No, Trisha tell about Susie. You want?
Susie and Valeria.
So you're representing for Jamaica too?
Yes, she
Yes.
is.
Okay.
She's from
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Okay. So why don't you ever do some Miss Universe dance tomorrow?
We'll try.
You try.
She's gonna have that big truck thing tomorrow with the music.
Okay.
It's a surprise.
We never agreed. Come. So this from Venezuela.
Yes.
Welcome, right? So she's representing for Jamaica.
Whoop,
Yeah, imagine that. We all mixed tomorrow. I'm gonna say big fish are fry and say papaya box there here, see away.
You know, you want to go inside to see what they're doing?
Yeah, I'm back now. I'm back.
You want to walk.
This place so big. Hey.
Get it.
Again.
We're always happy to see Kino.
Of course. So happy.
Always.
That man. Michelle with that energy.
Yes.
Let me go see what's going on in here. Hey. Hey, Tim, what's up? Guys, look who's here. Tim. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, man. I've been here for about 12 o'clock.
Oh, you were here?
Yeah, and then we went on the road.
Oh, good. Awesome.
Hey, of course, I'm in your place now. I'm in your place now.
I love it.
There you go.
Chaos is here.
Yeah, everything is setting up now. Yeah, organizing. Two flags. Jamaica, Jamaica. Hello. Look at the lights.
We need to think about
Because we are like about 1, 2, 3, like about 10 to 10.
Respect. Yeah, man, respect. Do the city man and you know, in Florida.
Yeah.
And do him thing.
Yeah, man.
Respect, right?
Cooler man. Uncle. Man, that's respect, you know. So I'm putting up on the spotlight now, you know, everything goes already. You know, so guys, so, you know, we always big up to subscribers and watch the program and so I go on, you know. Yes, man. The good work, see you, man.
In the thing.
Yes, the man, in the thing. It's cooler, man.
All right, my brother.
You know it? That's the world big, it's very small.
No, man, I tell you, man. You know,
Very small, you know.
like, you know, in any aspect of life that you're in, you just never know. I mean, I tell a brethren of mine today. So, sometimes in a brethren, you have to just be cool when you're doing life.
Yes.
And treat people well. Because you just never know who and so on.
Never know.
So, that's why you just keep it 100. Like, I mean, Peter, I go back from high school days.
Right? Yes, it. I never know say him watch my program though. And him never know say you watch my program.
I don't say no her.
I look at that.
No, Patricia.
I look now.
Never don't say no you. I watch the program all the time. Never had no idea. Oh, she's program.
Through the program.
Excellent, man. Excellent.
Maybe you would have
do a lot of charity work and stuff. Looking at that time.
Yeah.
Respect, enough respect.
Man.
Appreciate you guys.
The journey, man. I appreciate the love we get from the Sunrise team as well, too, you know?
Yeah.
The love is so real, man.
I sent it to Derek. I just sent it to Derek.
Yeah, you said it.
Alright, so you can watch what I go on. So now you know you're going to see all yourself, too. Yeah.
I saw you.
Yeah. Special guest is here.
Love it.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Good link up that.
Yes, man. Great link up, you know? What kind of soup is that?
Yeah, chicken and fish.
Chicken and fish.
Okay.
I had a steamed fish.
Yeah.
And I have a steamed fish over there. So this is steamed fish. I'm my order.
I know that's my thing there, because when I eat beef. No, man, I fish my David, man. Seafood only.
Yeah.
That's good, yeah.
Chicken soup and the steamed fish. But you have to tell them beforehand. And then
Yeah, fresh. Alright then. So, yeah, man. So this is like a mini chill out spot. Michelle. Hello.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
What's the channel?
So it's called Kino Life in Jamaica. So go on YouTube to show you. So you can subscribe. So you can check out what I go on. That's it. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. I subscribe.
So when you subscribe something, you have to listen on. So you can see when time we meet the Sunrise team.
Okay.
See them here. Cool. See nurse them here.
Okay.
Because them come up, they come do some work, you know?
Oh, yeah, we come down and do work down there enough because we work in dental.
Okay, see there.
Listen, we'll watch them and listen to them. I like the idea of the travel team.
No, remember I need chicken. Pescatarian.
The what? Fish.
Only swim around.
Only swimmers eat.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you know, walkers.
Yeah, no walkers. No one that swims. No dry land. It's a pleasure meeting to see you, man. You know?
Respect, man.
Big up yourself, man.
See him.
Big up. See there, big up.
I was tonight and I just come back with my food. I was saying, wife, so I'm good tonight. Now I'm sorry. I'm sorry, we are good tonight. Yeah, man. But I'm good this already. You record it?
Yeah.
You know, listen, man. Don't stop doing what you're doing, boss.
Yes.
Alright? People like us, like people like you, elevation is a great thing.
Yes, right.
Alright? And I want to respect the mass. Trust me, man. There's some good people out there, man, like the army.
Yeah.
Have good books, but we have good people on the heart. Keep it going, boss.
That's it, more love, man.
Yeah, man, yes. More love.
Keep it to our subscribers, them more and more, you know?
Good on.
Doing it.
We're not going to be this reality, it's real.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
And for all of your people, trust me, man. He's one of these, man.
Yeah.
Santa.
Alright, Santa. Best of luck. That is that, man. Cool, huh? Having a fish.
Well, me here say still, I'm here say don't check out still, I'm thinking of finishing the thing.
Oh.
I'm on the last part now, I'm
Yeah.
up to date with everything, and I'm thinking don't cut out and stop.
No, man. No, can't stop, man, you know? Can't stop. Can't stop, you know? Everybody have a purpose, so you know, so
I'm like a critic in the YouTube business with Jamaican people. There's a few of them we have a meet, especially in Portland.
Yeah, okay.
But there's a few of them we meet,
Yeah.
and tell them like it is. You know what I'm saying? But we're thinking of the diaspora still.
I feel the energy, man, so we see it.
Humble, man, you know, we just come to support.
Yes.
We support. Give support.
Humble energy, man.
That's something like a move the way you made when you did it. I don't say
Yeah.
it's crazy.
Sad, but you know.
It's very sad, man. People love you, out there, man, because what you're doing about it.
Yes, man. Yeah, man, I feel the love, you know.
See that?
Yeah, man.
Someone have this one. Watch him all the time. What? 100? You can tell him every movie. All the time.
Yeah.
Every step you take, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, man, it's good, man. It's good people. By the way, when I say dance school, right, this is someone who has leading man, I think.
Yeah.
Kino can tell no lies.
Yeah, this is a man that leads him on the night.
So we have several organizations in the dance.
Listen this now.
Okay.
One of them is called Jamaican in Florida, right?
Okay.
So what we do basically, we kind of try to uplift Jamaican men.
Yeah.
You know, diaspora. Anyone who from you know, actually people who born in Jamaica,
Any part of American state, any part of the parishes.
Yes.
So we try
Yeah.
to uplift men and boys.
Oh.
To instill in them
Yes.
the importance of
I'm catching.
the importance of who we are and what we're doing and what we need to do in the community. So you have a part of that. And we try to do as much work as we possibly can do.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you know, stay away, like I said, each individual have to do their part as well as try to get other individuals to do their part.
Yes, yes.
So we're steadfast in Florida and doing our thing and hopefully our daily basis and try to uplift people. So that's where we are, bro.
And that's a great thing you say when you're doing. I think
What I wanted to do personally, and like my mom asked me that like a couple days ago, because I want to do something, especially where I came from, in Portland. I want to do something in school, primary school. I come from way back when, right? But everything was organized in Jamaica per se. I'm going to set a time, we're going to go, we want to track this thing, make sure it goes to the right hand and the right head.
Yes.
So I'm still trying to get that set up. Because sometimes we do have like a bunch of computers and a bunch of stuff, but I want to transmit exactly all kinds of stuff.
you want me somebody with transparent.
Transparent, that's what we want. You know?
Yes.
Not only me, no, there's a lot of people that is like me, want to do the same thing.
Yes, yes.
But they are fear of, you know, different kind of entity and stuff like that.
Yes, yes.
But that's what we have stuff, you know, we want to do stuff. You know,
Yes.
and you the kind of guy like this now, you are out there, you're passing the word.
And I'm transparent.
It does. Because I would even, if I see you sitting down, I would even mention it because I walked over because you meant something to us.
Yes,
Your
yes.
our voice here and our eyes here, you know what I mean?
Yes,
That's
sure.
what we want. And there's tons of people like me. And with the diaspora, what we have, we with people, all kind of people like that. We want to make a move to do good, justice. But where's the voice? You are the voice.
And the eyes.
You the voice and the eyes, you know what I mean?
Yes.
But I tell you what, this may be the beginning of something.
Yes, sir.
Right, Gus? 100% on that.
The important thing is like sometimes I've thought about him and I would like to contact with him.
That's the next thing again.
And we have nothing on the ground necessarily to other than you and say, hey, Kino.
Yeah.
We have nothing on the ground to kind of move things around
Yes,
certain
yes.
aspects and look at the different needs of the community and say, well, let's organize a situation so we can deal with different needs of the community.
Yes.
Now call it as a Kino. Well, I say I do something but in my mind, it's might have somebody else who wants other community.
Yes, you want more boots on the ground.
Yeah, man, more boots on the
Right,
ground.
exactly. That's it. More boots on the ground. Jamaica, let me say it like this. We get on the parent thing and let me say it like Jamaican people. There's a lot we want to do for you guys, but you gotta do for us. And I'm straightforward and honest. Alright, we want to do a lot. You know what I mean? We want, and it's not only I alone myself, that's what I remember. There's a lot of people you really want to do a lot of things.
Yes.
You know what I mean? But Kino said, transparency is a 100% right thing. You know what I mean?
Yes.
And I still love you, I always love you guys, but we want to do more and much more.
Yes, yes.
Open your eyes, open your heart, open your ear, and then do something for you guys. Especially the school education is a must. And
It's a must. It's a
And
must.
we need that, man.
It's a must.
It's a tertiary education and trades and all of that. We need to advance and get that out there. I want to, you know what I mean? I know exactly where I came from. By the way, I'm an electrician, entrepreneur, trade, and doing great.
Yes,
I want that for my folks, alright? Give thanks to Kino, man. 100% love.
Yeah, man.
Always. It's the best of us.
Every time, man. Love, man. Love, man. Love, man.
Nothing done before the time, man. That's
Time and God, you know?
Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah,
Time and God, man. You know, man? Yes, man. Time and God. Alright, then. So see the time and God, man, you know?
Time and thing, man.
Yeah, man.
It's the best
But
of us.
Kino,
Because so represent, you know. You understand? Because more boots on the ground, they make more sound.
That's where you go, man.
But we can't rush things once we have faith. Things will happen in time. understand? And once we serve a purpose, we have to stand firm. You understand?
People like us don't want to just give words. We have meaning.
Yeah.
I'm talking behind 100%.
Yeah, right.
So we have it going. You know what I mean? I need you to be a witness and you to ready.
Yeah.
And I mean, give us the goal and open arms, love.
Yes.
Love.
And love alone. That's how it creates, you know.
That's all we need.
Love and love.
Well, next time I come to the check it out.
Of course, you're more than welcome, man. You're more than one team and nurse come down there. Say no, say here.
What we have though, we have strong on us.
Yeah.
We can run. How much that fat, man? Mr. Muir.
Yeah.
Olivia Muir. Dave, man.
Yeah.
We are come home.
You call him out?
Yes, man. We are come home. I'm a friend. 100% love.
Yeah.
All right, and that's the best thing about Jamaica. Best out of Jamaica. And if I say we're going to be somewhere, he's going to be here, man. 100% love.
Keep it over, my brother. And let us know what we can do. And again,
we're not talking about that. Get on the right spot.
It was the time now. It was the time now. So
First visit?
no, second time.
Welcome. We like that similar. There's more to come. More to go.
more people are more interested.
Yeah. Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.